Hi, welcome to Dr. Vasu's lectures, Vedic Mathematics. Here we are going to see a multiplication of two numbers. Out of these two, one number can have any number of digits. Other number has only ones and also it can be any number. Let us see with some examples. So you are going to see a multiplication of a number with a series of ones. Like it may be having 2 digits, 3 digits, 4, 5, 6, any number of ones. Okay. Now we can classify them into three categories. One is having a less number of ones. That is, if you take these two numbers, this has 3 digits, whereas this has only 2 ones, less number of digits compared to this. In the second category, we can have both the numbers having same number of digits. Third category, we are going to have more number of ones and compared to the other number of digits in this other number. So we categorize them into three categories and let us see how to get the multiplication of them. So we'll take equal number of ones first. When both the numbers have same number of digits. So here we have 32, 2 digits, multiplied with 11, it also has 2 digits. So we start with the top number, right side, rightmost. We start with one number, right? And we go on adding adjacent numbers, and the number of numbers which are to be added depends on the number of ones here. Let us see. Suppose I start with only one number first. 1. This is 2. 2 is put here in the units place. Next, 2 digits. 1 and adjacent one. 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 is put here. Next, we have added 2 numbers at the maximum and we don't have any other number on the left side. So we now come down, that is reduce the number of numbers here. That is we have done with the 2. Next only 1. That is removing the right side number. We are left with only 1. That is 3. Put the 3 here in the hundreds place. That's how the 32 multiplied with 11 gives you 352. So if you want to just solve it, when you are multiplying, you can just do it in 2-3 seconds, right? So let us see some more examples. Let's take another example, other number 78, multiplied with the same number of ones. 2 digits here and 2 digits here also. So when you multiply this, we start with the units place, one number. We put this 8 here, right? In the units place, and next 2 numbers, because we have 2 digits here in the unit, in the ones series, this number we have 2 numbers. That's why we have to add 2 numbers. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 means 5 in the tens place and 1 in the units place, but we'll keep it aside. Okay. Now 2 digits are over. Next, remove the right side number and take the one number only. That is left with this. So take 7. Already we have 1 here. So 7 plus 1, 8. So your answer is 78 multiplied with 11 gives you 858. So it's a matter of few seconds you can do this. Next, let's take another example with the 3 digits, 597. Multiplied with 111. So here again, we take, we start with one number in the right side, rightmost one number. So take 7 here, 7. Next 2 numbers, 7 plus 9, 16. So 6 is written here in the tens place and 1 is put in the hundreds place, kept aside. Okay. Next, here we have to sum up 3 digits. because we have 3 digits here in this number. 3 ones are there. That's why you have to go on adding up to 3 numbers. So 7 plus 9, 16 plus 5, 21. Already we have 1, 21 plus 1, 22. So 2 is in the hundreds place and another 2 is kept in the thousands place. Clear? Now we have come to the maximum number of digits. 3 are over. Next, come down, reduce. Remove the rightmost number first. So 7 is removed. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus already 2 is there. 16. 16 is written here. 6 in the hundreds, thousands place and 1 in the 10,000s place. 2 digits are over. Next only 1 digit. That is leftmost 5. So 5 is there. 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer of this 597 multiplied with 111 is 66,267. So that's how we get even a bigger number with the 3 digits also. Next, let us see a number multiplying with the lesser number of digits compared to this number. Suppose I want to multiply a number with 3 digits. So here I am going to multiply with 11. The number of digits in this are less. So let us see how. So the principle is same, but here only the difference is here because we have only 2 digits in this number, we can add up only 2 digits here. We'll see how. Start with the rightmost number 2. Put it here 2. Next 2 and 5. 2 plus 5. 7. 7 in the tens place. Next we cannot take 3 digits because we have only 2 digits here. We can add up only 2 digits at the maximum. That is, remove this 2 here and add this 5. So 5 plus 6, 11. 11 means 1 in the hundreds place, 1 is kept aside in the thousands place. Clear? So 2 digits are over. Next to 1 digit. We don't have anything in the left side. So this 2 is the maximum and over. Next 1 digit. Remove this 5. 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 652 when multiplied with 11 gives 7,172. This is the answer. So that's so simple to get, even if it has less number of ones in the series. Another example. Suppose we have 4-digit number and we are going to multiply it with the only 2-digit number, right? Only 2 digits here. So coming to this, start with the rightmost side with 1 number that is in the units place, 8. So put 8 here, right? Next 2 numbers, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 in the units place, tens place, 1 in the hundreds place. Next, only 2 numbers. We cannot go for third number because we have only 2 digits here. So remove this 8, add 4 in the left side. So 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 2 here in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place. So next we have another option also. So next, remove 7, add 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Already 1 is there. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 is in the thousands place. 2 digits are over. We don't have any further choice, right? We don't have any number in the left side. So this 2 numbers is over. Next only reduce this and come to 1 number. That is 3 in the thousands place. Take 3. That's it. 3 is put here in the 10,000 place. Now the answer is 3,478 multiplied with 11 gives 38,258. So like this, we can use any number of numbers, right? We can multiply any number of numbers with even less than the number of numbers. Next. So suppose we have 5 numbers, that is 5 digits in this number, 75,895, multiplied with the 3-digit number. Here we are going to multiply with a 3-digit number. So how? Let us start with the right side, rightmost, one number, 5. 5 is put here. Next, 2 numbers, right? 5 plus 9, 14. 4 here in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place. We have to go up to 3 numbers because we have 3 digits here in this number. We have to go on adding up to a maximum of 3 numbers in the top. That is 2 is already there, third one. 5 plus 9, 14, plus 8, 22. Already 1 is there, 23. 3 here and 2 in the next place. Clear? Next, only 3, we cannot go for 4 because we have only 3 numbers here. So remove this 5, add this left side number. 9 plus 8, 17, plus 5, 22, or plus 2, 24, 4 here, and 2 in the left side. Right? Next, again 3 numbers, we have a choice. We have, right? We have a additional number here on the left side. So remove this 9, add this 7, 8 plus 5, 13, plus 7, 20, plus 2, 22. So 2 here and 2 in the next position. Now 3 numbers choice is over. We cannot have 3 numbers further. So what to do? Reduce this number and take only 2. 7 plus 5, 12. Now 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 here, 1 here. Next, 2 numbers are over. Next 1 number. Remove 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the 84,24,345 is the answer when you multiply a 5-digit number with 111. Clear? So like this, you can apply to any number of numbers, any type of numbers, even if they have less number of digits in this. Clear? So next, so we have seen so far equal number of ones, less number of ones. If we have more number of ones, what to do? How? Let us deal with it. Let's take a simple example, a simple number, 12, a 2-digit number, multiplied with a 3-digit number, right? 111. Now, let us start with the right side number, right? 2, put 2 here in the units place. Next, 1 number is over, 2 numbers, 2 plus 1, 3. So put 3 here. Next, we don't have any number, right? Here, but we have 3 digits here. But even then, we don't have a choice left. We don't have a number in the left side. So we'll do one thing. Remove the number of numbers here, right? Equal to this number. Here we have 2 numbers. I just remove these 2. From this number, I remove these 2. How many are left? 1 number is left. I will repeat the same number, same addition of these 2 numbers here 1 time. I'm going to repeat this addition of these 2 numbers, whatever is there in the maximum top. I will add them 2 plus 1 and write again. Already we have written, no problem. But one more time I am going to write. So 3. That's over. That's all. Next, come down. Reduce this by 1. Remove 1 right side number. We are left with the 1 here. So 1 is written. So your answer is when 12 is multiplied with 111, 1332 is your answer. So like this, the same principle can be applied to any number of numbers, even if it has more number of ones compared to the number of digits in our number. Clear? Next, let us take another example. Wow, here we have 3 digits only, okay? But here we have 5 digits. Now let us see how to multiply. Principle is same. Now let's take a number on the right side. Start with 1, 3. Put it in the units place, 3. 2 digits, 3 plus 2, 5. Put here in the tens place. Next 3 numbers, we have a choice. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Put it in the hundreds place. In the sense, left side, leftmost position, we are going on adding. That's all. We don't have further number of numbers here. We don't have any numbers in the left side. But we have 5 digits in this number. So what to do? Remove this number of ones which are equal to the number of digits in this number. 3. Remove these 3. We are left with 2 ones. Once 2 times is repeated. We have 2 numbers here. We'll do one thing. We'll take the addition of all these numbers and write it 2 times again. Okay? Already we have written that, forget it. But now extra we want to write 2 times. Why? We have 1 and 2 times 1 is repeated. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. I'm going to write 6 here. 1 time is over. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Second time I'm writing. So 2 times I have written extra. That's it. We don't have any further choice. That's all. Next, reduce one number here. 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Write 3 here in the left side. Remove one number, 2. That is 1. We are left with 1. Write 1 here in the left side. So when you multiply with 123 with a 5-digit number, 11,101, 11, we get 13,66,653. You see how simple it is. Only thing is just we need to remember a small principle, right? Next. Suppose if you take a bigger number, still 3-digit number, and multiplied with the series of ones which has 5 digits. Now, so here we'll start with the same principle. We start with the rightmost side with one number, 9. Put 9 here in the units place. 2 numbers next. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here and 1 in the next place. That's it. Next 3 numbers. So 9 plus 8 plus 7. 17 plus 7, 24. Already we have 1, 25. So 5 here and 2 here. Clear? And we don't have any further choice of getting 4 numbers here. 4 or 5 or any. So what to do? Remove the number of digits here which are equal to this number of digits in this number. 3 numbers. Remove these 3. We are left with these 2 numbers. So we take 2 numbers, 2 times. We write this total of these 3 2 times extra. That is 9 plus 8 plus 7, 24, plus 2 already there, 26, 6 and 2. 1 time is over. Next, again 24, plus 2, 26. So 6 here, 2 here. Clear? 2 times are over. Extra, we have written extra 2 times. Finish. Next, come to remove this 9 on the right side. 8 plus 7, 15. Write 15 here. 15 plus 2, 17. So 7 here, 1 here. Remove this 1 on the right side. We're left with 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So write 8 here. So that's it. So the number 789, when multiplied with 11,111, we get 87,66,579. You see how simple it is. So using this simple technique, you can multiply any number with any number of digits, any number with a number with a series of ones. Clear? So this is all about the number multiplied with a series of ones, and we'll meet in the another video with some other technique. Right? Thank you very much. If you like this, please subscribe to Dr. Vasu's lectures. Thank you.